Welcome! In front of me I have Mibro Watch T1 and I'm gonna show you how to soft reset this watch, basically restart. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, press and hold the side button and keep holding it until the menu appears on the screen. Let's press and hold it again. Okay, once this menu appears on the screen, you should see power off button and restart button. Tap on the restart button and wait. The watch should start rebooting, and after a second or two you should see the watch face, which means that the rebooting process is complete. And that's how you soft reset this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.